Ebusuya, imagine say MCE edge over a year 15 to 20,000 cedis a month. Na otua wo mami 250 cedis a month. We eye de yakoso ewo eye Suhum constituency ende Suhum district chief executive eko piemu ewo local government committee Ebusuya. En somebody to dwa na Ebusuya utia we yembe na we bewo e de amagan ha ye Ghana nsem TV eso. Nsem esi wo Ghana na Ebusuya e de bura ewo ha say authentic news the end of form no e de bura want be say best subscribe to Ghana nsem TV. Turn on notification button we enso a na wa like na wa chire wa dwen of comment Ebusuya e ko tie nsem a DCE e de ma Suhum constituency e de to dwa na area Ebusuya e be chire adwen won.
You are welcome. MC, how is Suhum doing?
Honorable Chair, please, we are coping.
You are what?
We are coping.
What's the urgent problems in Suhum now?
Right now is sanitation.
What is happening with sanitation?
We all know the issue concerning sanitation.
We don't know.
Okay, Honorable Chair, we have issues with sanitation around the runabout, the overhead, yes.
What is happening there?
Please, the issue is concerned about collections of containers by the Zoom Lions and all that. But as at now, we have stationed over 30 people over the runabout and some key areas that they do regular cleaning in that areas.
But so who handles the sanitation of Suhum? Officially, who handles it? Do you have a company that does it?
The Zoom Lion, please.
Have you contracted Zoom Lion? Do you have a contract with them, signed contract with them?
Yes, please.
You have signed contracts?
Yes, please.
So why are they not doing it?
It's the sweepers that we are having issues with.
Why? They don't have the workers?
No, because of why cancelled that contract. So we have assigned over 30 people to work on that.
From the assembly?
Yes, please.
How do you pay them?
From our own source.
Which source?
The IGF.
Is it an internally generated fund?
Yes, please.
How much do you generate yearly?
Okay. So as at this year, August now, we have generated 1,257,517.92 pesos.
And how much do you pay those who go around collecting the rubbish?
250 cedis a month, please.
1 month?
Yes, please.
250 cedis?
Yes, please.
Why?
Yes. Because that is what Zoom Lion used to pay them. So
they come to work every day?
No, not every day.
How many times?
3 times in a week. Honorable Chair, please, because they are not doing it, that's why we employ them to do that work for us. But since we came to meet the payment between the Zoom Lion and the people, we continued. We will also.
But I think it's inadequate.
Okay,
it's
we are working on it to increase it, please, Honorable Chair.
To how much?
To 350 Ghana cedis.
It's still so low.
Okay, Honorable Chair, we will work on that.
So when you have your next meeting and you decide on how much you would give, can you update us?
Yes, please, Honorable Chair.
A mother cannot leave home with children and come and sweep and collect rubbish 3 times in a week, and at the end of the month, go home with 250. Assuming she used 100 cedis for transport, that means she's going home with 150. This is wrong. And that is what we've been fighting against. So you cannot pay them 350 a month.
Okay.
Then we sit in our cars, we drive along the place, it's neat. How much do we collect? How much is our salaries? That those who do the sweeping, they collect 250. It's wrong. Can you have a meeting and update us?
Okay, Honorable Chair, we will do that. Thank you.
Thank you too. Ranking has something.
Madam Chair, I'm getting a bit disappointed in my beautiful MC. We know this 250 cedis has been a tug of war for a very long time. It's one of the bases why Zoom Lion is not continuing with its contracts. And looking at how much money the reset is bringing to you, you should rather reset the people's meager 250. In fact, the 350, Madam Chair, I will wish that it goes a bit higher, but that is your prerogative, together with your assembly. But this is what will let people have confidence in the system, because at the end of the day, if 250 wasn't enough, and we all had issues with it, Zoom Lion's contract was suspended and later terminated, you don't come and still be paying the same 250. What is the difference? Where is the reset? You understand?
So we will reset.
Thank you, Honorable Chair.
Definitely you have to reset. Honorable, we will reset.
Sure, we will do that.
We are resetting, in fact. Let's go to page 45 or 59. We'll be waiting for your feedback with this. It's very important. So this is the year 2024, isn't it? I was going to talk to the MC directly because this is about people living with disability. So they purchased certain amounts, but they didn't release to them. Who would answer this? How long have you been there? Who is the coordinating director? How long have you been there?
Just a week.
I knew definitely it's about 6 months. And then...
But I have the briefings.
Where is the chairman? Who is the chairman? You are the chairman. Can you answer to this for me?
Please, I'm a member. The chairman couldn't come.
So you are a member?
Yes, please.
So do you know anything about this?
Yes.
I am a bit passionate about it, so if you can explain it to me. What is happening with this? You purchased items for the people living with disability. The MCE cannot answer this. It has nothing to do with her, and I know she wouldn't even know much. That's why I want you to answer. They said because of internal weaknesses, you couldn't purchase. You purchased the things, but you didn't deliver. Worth 148,000 Ghana cedis. Now you ended by saying fully implemented. What do you mean by that? Can you explain?
Okay, Madam Chair, we discovered that they have distributed the amount to them. But the item, sorry.
You discovered?
Yeah, during our review.
What were the items?
Fridge, Ecolag, and provisions, and other stuff.
Which date did you do that distribution?
Madam Chair, it's fourth quarter of last year. That's 2023.
So can I have evidence showing that that distribution was done? Definitely, you must have taken pictures, and there would be that when you pick the fridge, you sign.
Honorable,
Or they just pick the items without any
Honorable Chair, we
documentation.
have evidence. We'll submit it to the committee.
Do you have evidence?
Yes, we
You
have
sworn
the
an
evidence,
oath.
but it's not here.
Yes, it's not here, but you have evidence.
Yes,
And you
please.
sworn an oath.
Very well.
Clerk, would you want to collect the evidence from them? Yeah. How much is your common fund, Madam MC? How much have you received?
Honorable Chair, first quarter we received 2,340,661.13 pesos. And the second quarter we received 4,814,416.91 pesos. So the total is 7,155,078.04 pesos.
So have you started some legacy projects?
Yes, please.
Can you let me know which legacy projects you have started?
Okay, the renovations of the bungalows, then the complete...
How many bungalows? How many bungalows?
Please, 2.
2 bungalows?
Yes.
You are renovating both?
Yes, please.
They are bungalows for who?
We have the chief executive bungalow, then the coordinating director's bungalow as well.
They
Then
are a priority, or along the roadmap they ask that you do it?
no, it was a priority. It was
To
part
who?
of the legacy projects that they were doing.
How many legacy projects do you have?
We have 6.
And the priorities are the 2 bungalows for the...
No,
the
no. We have completion of computer center. We have the renovation of the assembly block. We have completion of market complex. We have completion of chip compound at Ay3k3. Then the completion of Akrabo police station. That is the 6.
And you are doing how many out of the 6?
We are doing all,
All the
please.
6.
Yes,
Okay.
please.
Okay, good luck.
Ebusuyamo akwaba bi from Braga and MTV eso. Me say ye nuanom Ghana for nankasa bi the reason why intia Ghana for ye bre. Imagine a municipal chief executive and as a district chief executive. What's so buy you know? Obeto a year district no and say ye bia no ni Zoom Lion akwa now mutu omka 250 cedis. And contract in the term because almost no 250 cedis the iswa. Tama contract me no customer dey on twem. Now buy you know. Instead of you to give them like 500 or 700 cedis no, you still maintain the 250 cedis. How wicked can you be? Until 3 more into the stand say untimi pofa bi nkan omo. And these are the people like did to me asho munsa o. It did to me ashe ne nsa so ombeden ombehwe na omboa ematimamofo ehun tono. These are the people, bro. These are the people. And I've been telling you, these are the people, oh. These are the people. The one edit to me now more. Look at what they are doing. Look at what they are doing, bro. We only did 2 million shawmans, 250 cities. Now, they pardon Cassa, or better, you understand? Oh, 250 cities. In month no more 30 days, so 4 good weeks. Hey, what more do? Oh, be crowded. That's 250 cities. So we bet made dinner within 30 minutes. So 30 minutes. We bet me this hair scanner. And do to yam obi mami. Ma obi mami for a whole month. A whole month. You see, it is very sad, bro. It is very, very sad. It is very, very, very sad. Abusuya, mami who are doing your comments. What do you think about this issue? Mami who are doing your comments?